Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 3. Blue Gas PLC Supplies is being bought over by Suburban Supplies PLC, and there has been an information that this Blue Gas PLC had made losses in some years back, and also this is a both are gas suppliers. Okay, means they are in the same supply chain, okay, at the same end of the supply chain, and so the Suburban Gas PLC is buying over this by giving some purchase consideration. In the first part we had prepared the Sunrise shareholders account to close down the books. So in the second part, okay, and in the during that we realized that there was also a loss of realization for Blue Gas PLC. Okay, when it was bought over, there is a loss on realization that is happening. So now the part D of the question, okay, it is asking us evaluate from the point of view of Maria the purchase of Blue Gas PLC by Suburban Gas Supplies PLC. Maria is a shareholder, right? Maria bought her shares in Blue Gas PLC 2 years ago for 0.35 pounds each. She had bought this much, and evaluate from this point who is a shareholder of Blue Gas PLC being taken over by Suburban Gas PLC. So whenever a new company is being taken over, there will be growth. Okay, takeover is growth and expansion, and there can be economies of scale. So that means Suburban Gas Supply would be able to offer lower unit price probably to the customers, and they can also make lot of sales and profit because of that, and they will offer dividends in the future for people like Maria if they also try to buy Suburban Supplies PLC shares. Okay, so that is the idea. Whenever you grow and expand, you will be able to have economies of scale, lower your unit price, so that more number of customers buy your product, lot of sales will be there, so profits will be generated, and this will be shared as dividends to the shareholders. So this is also a horizontal integration, meaning the same supply chain is becoming bigger, probably it is trying to become monopoly, okay, and can set greater prices. Okay, so they are trying to become very big, and it can become monopoly, which means you can also charge high prices and still the customers will buy, and then again it could make lot of profit and offer dividends to the shareholders. Either way it can happen. Then the Blue Gas PLC anyway was making losses. Okay, it was making losses and was not a profitable company, which means it would not be able to offer dividends to the shareholders. So it is better for people like Maria to get acquired by the new company which can offer them dividends in the future. Otherwise nobody will want to hold the shares. But at the same time you should see that Maria will lose her shareholding right, because she is being bought over by Suburban Gas PLC, and again she has to invest to buy those shares, and also there was a loss on realization for Blue Gas. So probably, okay, the company was being sold for a loss. So all this can affect the share value. That means she must have made loss on her existing shares. Okay. So now let's argue this here. So for the sale is Suburban Supplies PLC, it could enjoy economies of scales like bulk buying at lower prices. So when you offer bulk buying, when it becomes too big and they involve themselves in bulk buying, they will get huge discount, and this will reduce the unit cost. Okay, it can reduce their unit cost per material made. So this can result in a generating greater profits. Okay, because lot of sales will happen if there is lower prices, because more people will tend to buy. More lower prices, more sales, and could result in profit. This would increase the return to the shareholders in the form of dividends and could lead to a rise in the share price, which could benefit Maria. Okay, if she tries to buy the company of Sun of the Suburban Supplies PLC. Now the companies would enjoy the benefits of horizontal integration. Example, it can have reduced cost of advertising or reduced customer service total cost. So when you are becoming big, you will have the total cost also going down. Why? Because now you are able to, you don't have a competitor. Okay, you have no competitor left. So no competitor in the business left, so you have to spend less on advertising and less customer service needs to be offered. So because there is no other competitor and you are trying to become the only gas supplier in the region, which means total cost is going to go down in the future. Blue Gas PLC has been making losses and the retained earnings show a very large debit balance. So the company could go out of business and shareholders will lose everything they have invested. So the market does not have much confidence in the business as the market value of the company is probably less than the book value. This was shown by the agreed purchase price of the company. So it is better for shareholders like Maria who were in the loss making business of Blue Gas PLC to get out of that company. Okay, if they are being bought over, it is very good news for them. But however, against the sale was Maria is receiving around 0.88 pence. So how is that 0.88 pence? Okay, we could add up all the values here. 0.2 into this values, okay, if you add up 3 into, so the purchase consideration, if you don't consider the total cost, so 3 into 0.2 plus premium was offered as 3 into 0.05 plus the cash was offered at 0.13 pounds. So if we were to calculate per share what was the purchase price offered, so the purchase price that was offered was 0.88 pounds. Okay, and that is for every 4 shares held by her. So means she had bought for 0.35 and for every share held she will own, which means 0.22 per share, right? So that means only if I reduce it 0.88 divided by 4 pounds divided by 4. So that is going to be 0.22 will get, and this is 0.13 per share below the figure she paid for the share. She had paid 0.035, Maria had paid this much, so she is making a loss on each of the shares. Okay, so loss of how much you have to calculate. She had got 0.35 per share, okay, minus, but she is getting only 0.022 pounds per share, so she is making a loss of 0.13 pounds per share, and the book value of the company is assets is 52.8 million and less the liabilities 22.6. So the book value 52.8 million less the liabilities, okay, which is 30.8 million. The company is being sold for only 17.6 million. The purchase consideration on the whole they are being offered only 17.6, whereas the asset minus liability value, the book value was 30.2 million. So there is a loss on realization which we had already calculated of 12.6 million. So the shareholders in the Blue Gas PLC will see reduction in the voting power as they are now a part of a larger company. However, the company has a, so in conclusion, okay, in conclusion you have to write, okay, we can see that in conclusion the company has a serious, which company? The Blue Gas PLC company has a serious problems and a takeover by larger company such as Suburban Gas Supplies PLC, okay, who are making profit. They have the retained earnings positive, okay, taken over by a large company such as Suburban Gas PLC may be the best option. You can give any of your conclusion, but you have to give a conclusion. So first, for the company is because it is being because it will become big and they may offer future dividends to the shareholders, but they also will make a loss at that point because the previous purchase price was high, and also there is a reduction in the voting power. So this is how you will argue for the from the point of view of Maria, from the point of view of a shareholders whose company is being purchased or